Hi, my name is Ben Wilson. I'm one of the librarians at UVU's Fulton Library. I cover the Woodbury School of Business along with my colleague Rich. For this tutorial, I just want to share with you guys one of the library's business databases and how it functions, how to just do a basic search inside of it. So if we go to the library's homepage and click on databases, so this button right there, it's the top one, ABI Informed Collection. So let's go ahead and open that up. And the search that we're going to do is for small businesses and loans. If you're not familiar with the quotation marks, it keeps it as a phrase. You use it for more than one word. There's a few filters that I'd like to cover. The first one is the date filter, which you can see here. For business, I generally do 5 to 10 years. For this one, I'm going to do 10 years. The next filter I like to show you is the source type filter. And if I click on more, I'm going to see all the different types of sources. You're going to see some wire feeds, which are very current electronic notifications on the topic. We've got some trade journals, which are like if I made cabinets, I would get published in a trade journal on cabinet making. Then we also have newspapers, like inside here you do have the New York Times and the Wall Street Journal and a lot of others. And then we have scholarly journals, which are peer-reviewed scholarly articles. Sometimes they're also called academic journal articles. Those are the cream of the crop. They're usually the most credible. They're written by someone with a PhD and also reviewed by someone with a PhD, and they're experts in that subject. That's one advantage to using the library over the internet, because you can actually find very credible sources easily by doing that. Then the last filter I would show you guys is the subject filter here on the left. And if you have a lot of results like I do right now, is like I have a few 100,000 results. If you click on more there, you're going to see all of these subtopics that you can click on or you can exclude, and this will help narrow down your search. Another way to do it would be to enter in additional terms into your search. So you could do another and something else, and then another and something else. I'll cover more on that when I talk about doing advanced searching. Let's look at a few results here. There's a preview feature that allows you to learn more about it, and it will give you an abstract here. And it also shows you some subjects. If you click on one of these subjects, it's going to take you into a brand new search with all the articles that have that subject. It tends to be a little more broad sometimes, so I don't generally do that. Your article is here where it says full text, or you can click on the title of it, either way. And there is our article right here. One other thing to cover real quick, when pulling up an article inside OneSearch, let me go ahead and do our search for small business and loan in the OneSearch. When pulling up that search, sometimes you're going to see that it will say full text finder instead of giving you the article, instead of saying PDF here or full text. So we've got this link. All you got to do to get the article is click on that and it should pull up. Now if that ever doesn't work, or you're searching on the web and you can't get a hold of an article, you can use this thing off the library homepage. It's called Interlibrary Loan, and it allows you to request books and articles that we do not have. It's a free service that your tuition's already paid for, that you are able to use and request articles and books that our library does not have.